Are you wondering if there's a natural path to managing your uterine fibroids? It's a question I hear so often, and it's a really important one. Let's explore what shrinking fibroids naturally really means and what science tells us. First, it's crucial to understand that uterine fibroids are non-cancerous growths, but they are often influenced by hormones, particularly estrogen. So when we talk about natural approaches, we're often looking at ways to support hormonal balance and overall well-being. Now, straight to the point, can fibroids shrink completely with natural methods alone? For most people, significant measurable shrinkage comparable to what you might see with medical treatments or surgery is not typically expected or scientifically proven with natural methods alone. However, many people find that a holistic approach can help manage symptoms and potentially slow growth, making a real difference in their quality of life. What does this holistic approach look like? It's about empowering your body. This includes a nutrient-rich diet, focusing on whole foods, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and reducing processed foods. Think about adding fiber to support healthy estrogen metabolism. Regular physical activity is also key. It helps with weight management and can positively impact hormone balance. Managing stress through mindfulness, yoga, or whatever works for you is another powerful tool, as chronic stress can also influence our hormonal systems. And of course, ensuring adequate sleep is foundational for every aspect of your health. While diet and lifestyle changes are incredibly beneficial for your overall health and can certainly help manage symptoms associated with fibroids, it's vital to have realistic expectations about significant fibroid shrinkage from these methods alone. My biggest takeaway for you today is this: partner with your healthcare provider. Discuss all your symptoms and explore all your options, including natural approaches. They can help you create a personalized plan that's right for you. Your well-being is always the priority. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more insights into uterine fibroids. Share it with anyone who might benefit.